Imagine trekking through the wilderness, finding the perfect fishing spot, and instantly having a comfortable seat and a cold drink waiting for you. That's the promise of the Zoology Folding Camping Chair Stool Backpack, and honestly, it's pretty close to delivering on that dream. This isn't just a chair, it's a whole mobile command center for the outdoorsman. Weighing in at just 3.3 pounds, it's surprisingly lightweight. The camouflage design blends seamlessly into nature, which is a nice touch. The real magic is how it transforms from a backpack into a sturdy stool capable of holding up to 331 pounds. I was a little skeptical at first, but it feels surprisingly solid when you sit on it. The backpack itself is well designed with multiple pockets. There's a place for everything: your water bottle, keys, wallet, even a book. No more rummaging around trying to find what you need. And then there's the cooler compartment. This is a game changer for keeping your drinks and snacks chilled on a hot day. It's not huge, but it's big enough for a few cans and some sandwiches. The materials feel durable. The polyester and Oxford fabric seem like they can withstand some wear and tear, which is important for outdoor gear. The shoulder straps are comfortable, even when the backpack is loaded up. Now it's not perfect. The seat isn't the widest, so if you're looking for something super spacious, this might not be it. And while the cooler is great, it's not going to keep things ice cold for days. But for a day trip or a short camping excursion, it's perfect. Zoology markets this as a perfect gift for men who love fishing, hunting, or camping, and I can see why. It's practical, well-made, and solves a real problem: having a comfortable seat and cold refreshments wherever you go. Overall, the Zoology Folding Camping Chair Stool Backpack is a clever and convenient piece of gear. It's lightweight, durable, and offers a surprising amount of functionality in a compact package. If you're looking for a way to lighten your load and stay comfortable on your next outdoor adventure, this is definitely worth considering. It's a solid piece of kit that combines convenience and practicality in a way that just makes sense.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.